Hello children, how are you all? I hope that all of you are fine. Here we are starting chapter number 4, measurement. How to measure the things? For that we are having some units. Measuring length. Centimeter is also written as cm. That means that we can write centimeter in short form as cm. Centimeter is a unit to measure small length. If we want to measure a small length, then we will use centimeter. 100 centimeter equals to 1 meter. If we want to convert centimeter into meter, then we can convert this way, that 100 centimeter equals to 1 meter. 1000 meter equals to 1 kilometer. When 1000 meter we want to convert, then it will become a 1 kilometer. Now, use a ruler to measure the following line segments. See children, here line segment AB is given to us, and if we want to measure this with this ruler, how to measure? First of all, you must know the ruler. See children, here starting from 0, this is 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, that way numbers are written on the ruler. Now, in between 1 and 2, one big line is there. So, that is 1.5. After 1, the small line is 1.1. After that, 1.2. Then the third line is 1.3. Then 1.4, and this line is 1.5. After that 1.6, 1.7, 1.8, 1.9, and then comes 2. Okay children? Now, here we will see the starting point. See A. We have to put this A near this 0. Then see the last point B. B is exactly coming at, this is 5, then the middle point is 5.5, after that 5.6 and 5.7. So, the last point is touching at 5.7. So, we can write that AB is 5.7 centimeter long. So, the line segment AB is 5.7 centimeter long. This way we have to measure this line segment using this ruler. Now, the next one is line segment CD. Now, children, you have to use ruler and you have to put ruler near this line segment and see the starting point C. You have to touch this starting point C at 0 and see the last point D. It is touching at exactly 8.5. See the big line between 8.9 is 8.5. So, we can write that line segment CD is 8.5 centimeter long. Now, write in centimeter. Now, 6 meter is given to us and we have to convert meter into centimeter. Now, to convert meter into centimeter, we are having one formula. That formula is 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. So, first of all, we have to write down that formula. So, what we will write first? 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. Now, here we are having 6 meter. So, we will write 6 meter equals to how much? If we want to convert 6 meter, then 6 meter is equal to how much? Then what we will do? We have to multiply 6 by this 100. So, to make it easy, say 6 ones are 6. Then these 2 zeros you have to put here. So, that is 600 centimeter. So, we converted 6 meter into 600 centimeter. Okay children? Now, we will convert the next sum. Now, next sum is 9 meter 35 centimeter. This everything we have to convert it into centimeter. So, first of all, we will write the formula. Our formula is 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. So, here 9 meter is given to us. So, that we will convert first. 9 meter equals to how much? So, what to do children? 9 multiplied by 100 equals to 9 ones are 9. then we will put these 2 zeros. This is 900, but 900 what? 900 centimeter. Here extra 35 centimeter is given to us. So that we will add in this 900. So plus 35 centimeter equals to our total answer is 0 plus 5, 5. 0 plus 3, 3. And this 9 will come again. So 935. So 9 meter 35 centimeter we converted into centimeter is 935 centimeter. Now write in meters and centimeter. Now here 800 centimeter is given to us and we have to convert it into meter and centimeter. When we are converting meter into centimeter, we are using the formula 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. But here we have to convert 800 centimeter into meter. So we will turn the formula this way, that 100 centimeter equals to 1 meter. The formula is the same, children. 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. But here we want to convert centimeter into meter. So we use the formula that 100 centimeter equals to 1 meter. Here we are having 800 centimeter. So we will write that number here. So 800 centimeter equals to how much? Now here children we have to divide 800 by this 100. So 800 divide by 100. So here see children, in 100 we are having 2 zeros. So in 800 after 2 numbers we will put one decimal point. So equals to 800. Here 2 zeros are there. So from the back side we will count 2 numbers. 1, 2 and then we will put one decimal point. So here the answer is, and this decimal point, the number before the decimal point is 8 meter and here 0 centimeter. So our answer is 8 meter only. As 0 centimeter we are not concerning, our answer is 8 meter. So 800 centimeter we convert it into meter as 8 meter. Now the next number is 465 centimeter. Now first of all we will write the formula 100 centimeter equals to 1 meter. Now here we are having the number 465. So 465 centimeter equals to how much? To convert this we will divide 465 divide by 100. So here in 100 2 zeros are there. So in 465 we will count the numbers from the back side. After 2 numbers we will put one decimal point. Why after 2 number children? Because here in 100 2 zeros are there. So from the back side we will count 2 numbers and we will put decimal point. So 1, 2. After that we will put one decimal point. So what is our answer children? 4 meter and this 65 centimeter. Understand children? This way we can convert 465 centimeter into meter and centimeter. Okay children, I hope that all of you understand these things properly. Thank you. Have a nice day.